What are you going to make today?
Mom, what are these called?
SpaghettiOs.
SpaghettiOs.
All right, hold on. Let me.
Circle ones. These are my favorite.
Those are your favorite?
Yeah.
Okay. Hold on.
Mom, I can. What do we have to do?
Hmm?
What do we have to do?
Okay, so first, show everybody what you got. What you going to cook for your lunch? What are they?
With SpaghettiOs.
SpaghettiOs.
Mm-hmm.
And who are you?
Ava.
Ava. You got your bowl?
Yeah, but who is it?
Oh, I'm putting this on your YouTube channel. Remember Silly Goose?
Oh, yeah.
So you have to show people how to make your own lunch. How old are you?
5.
You're 5? Okay.
But,
So
like,
what is this?
a knife.
What kind of knife?
A butter knife.
A butter knife. Will butter knives cut you?
Mm-mm.
Not really, huh?
A little bit.
No, they're just a little sort. So what you got to do is watch. You see this?
Yeah.
And you see that? You take it, you push it under there so you can open the top. So you do it.
Okay.
Watch your fingers. Now push it. And push up. Top. You see that? Now you can lift the lid up. Okay? Like that. See if you can pull it backwards. No, don't put your fingers in there, right there, because that's sharp. That'll hurt you. So you see this? Pull this back.
Well, what?
Hold the can. Keep your hands down. Don't put your hand around the sharp edges. Pull it back. There you go. Like that. And wiggle it, and it comes off. Sit it up like this so we don't make a mess on the counter. Right? Because we don't like messes, right? Okay. Now, what do you need to do?
We have to dump it.
Dump it. All right, so dump it. Well, good job.
They are it.
Mhm.
There's some more.
Hold on, I just got a spoon so you can get in there and get it.
Mom, this is good for my, what is it called?
When you made soup,
What? I know, but
beans,
no.
what?
Oh, vegetable soup. I remember that.
Okay. All right. So get it all out. Make sure you get it in the bowl.
Mom, can I just take it?
No.
But I'm starving.
Come down a little bit. That way you don't make a mess. Why are you starving?
Because it smells good.
Silly goose. Okay. Now what do you got to do?
Mom, there's some more.
Oh, okay.
How many are there? Yep.
Is that all of it?
I'm already starving.
You're already starving.
Yep.
Well, what do you think you're going to have to do next?
Mom, why do I need a YouTube channel?
Huh? Because you're just so darn cute. Is it all gone?
Mom, can I eat this part?
You can scoop it out and lick it. Don't lick the bowl. Don't you'll cut your tongue. You see it's got sharp edges in the can. So don't do that. You can lick the spoon. Is it good? Alright. Now what do you gotta do?
It's good.
Now what you gotta do?
We have to cook it.
Cook it. Okay. Well, put your stuff down.
Hold on.
And then you're gonna need to take the step and put it by the microwave.
Buy it?
So you can reach the microwave. Okay? You got it? Is that good?
I actually did it.
You got some on the counter?
Yep.
Oh.
Okay, now I have them on this one. You gotta eat it.
There you go. Wipe the counter up. You got it? You can put the can down so it goes.
Can I put it in here?
No, where does it go?
In the trash.
Okay, go put it in the trash can.
But how? Well, ew.
Is that disgusting?
Yeah.
Good job. All right, now what do you need to do? You was just messing with a trash can, so what do you need to do now?
Yuck eyes. SpaghettiO eyes.
You come over by the sink.
I almost said spaghetti. We don't, we're not making spaghetti. did you remember we got Ava?
Yeah.
That was funny yesterday we did. Mom, these are new, right? These are new pajamas.
They are. I like them.
And like, why is that like doing there?
I don't know. It's weird. But don't take your pajamas off. Just wash your hands, silly goose. Good job. All right, cut it off. You got a towel? Whoa! All right, where's your towel? Right here, on the counter, silly. Okay. Now you need to take the step and move it by the microwave.
Mom,
Oh, sorry.
I have lost it.
Okay. Silly goose. What are you, magical powers now? Go over to the microwave.
This is heavy.
I know.
But I'm strong though, right?
Got it?
Oh, do I? Okay, good.
Got it? Okay, now climb up in the microwave and open the door.
Okay.
Now you only do this when mommy's around to help, right?
Why?
So you don't get hurt. Right?
Yeah.
Alright, get up and pull the door open.
But pull it? But what about when we get up?
You won't get hurt. Pull it.
How?
Alright, put your hand here
Yeah.
and then pull.
How?
Just pull it like you do the refrigerator.
Ah!
It's okay. It's okay. Alright, now come on down. Let go of the microwave. You can let go. Let go. Got it? Okay.
Mom, open it.
I will. Alright, go get your SpaghettiOs. And then bring them over here. Don't drop them. Because that would make a mess. Alright, sit them on the stove so you can put them in the microwave.
Mommy almost said I'm in the fridge.
Alright, climb up there and put them in and then shut the door.
Shut the door.
Look at you, big girl. Alright, now shut the door. Duck down. And then shut the door. Push it hard. Slam it. There you go. Alright, now get up there. You gotta put time on it.
But how?
Huh? You see the numbers?
Oh yeah, so what is it?
Push 2, 0, 0. And you see the start button?
Yeah, right here.
Where's the play button? Hold
The
on.
pay right here.
Where's the play button? Look at the buttons. Down. Play. Is that like the play?
Yeah.
Good job. Now
did it.
it's cooking.
That's how I make your own food.
Say bye.
Bye.